Hello friends, I'm Dr. Samir Limbare, a psychologist and associate professor in psychology. We are going to see about, let me tell you one thing first. Everybody do some or the other mistakes in our life. That we also learn from it and we try to correct it. But just imagine if the mistakes are happening because we are doing our thinking wrong, or we are doing some kind of an error or mistake in our thinking itself, then obviously the mistakes will repeat again and again. So what can we do to avoid our mistakes? The mistakes are happening because of thinking. So the thinking can be avoided, which are giving birth to mistakes in our life. Friends, today we are going to see the 7 thinking errors which we usually do and how to avoid them. First, we are going to see, I have made it into a sentence. For example, you can remember it like this: DO, do, AM, PM, and EM. Do, AM, PM, EM. These are total 7. The last one, EM, is a separate error. These are all 7 errors which you are going to see, and every alphabet, I have used the starting alphabet of this to remember. For example, D is alphabet, which is referring to a thinking error, which we are going to see now. D is referred to discounting the positive. This kind of an error happens when we don't count our positive things, or we don't focus on positive things of positive aspect of the situation. We focus on the negative aspect of the situation, and therefore we are always looking at the wrong side. We have to look what is positive in the situations, and that is what we can help to avoid the negative thinking. A very simple example we could have heard also, that a glass half filled of water or a glass half empty of water. Filled and empty. Filled, a positive approach, and empty is a negative approach, which you can see. One thinking error, that is discounting the positive, not counting the on the positive. Focusing on the positive is more important instead of the negative. Second kind of thinking, do, D we have seen. O you are going to see. O is overgeneralizations. Overgeneralization is when a person thinks that something bad has happened to him, and this will happen with all other things also, and this will go on repeating. What he is doing is trying to overgeneralize one incident and attaching the same result of one incident to all the incidents which are going to take place in the future. This is overgeneralization. This can be or should be avoided. For example, we become successful, we may make a failure in one situation, but we may not fail in all the situations or on all the fields. So that is what we can take care of. We have seen do, do. Now AM. Out of that A we are going to see. A is all or nothing. Some people think that I should have all or I don't have nothing. For example, take example of a party. Either you are a star of a party or you are a bore of a party. Either you are the best one or you are the worst one. Either you get successful in your life or directly you come down to failure. Either you are good or you are completely bad. Friends, let me tell you, there is always a gray shade between white and black. This gray shade is also important because maximum people in this world fall into average category. Very few are in the higher category, top 5, or very few are in the lowest category, top 5 from below. The average people are more important because these average people actually do appreciate the top 5, the good ones, and do support the below top 5 who require support and some kind of mental strength to be given to them. So there is always a gray shade. We should remember that particular thing in our mind. Fourth one, that is out of AM, the M is mind reading. Some people assume that what people are thinking. Let me take an example. If you're at a workplace and you see your two colleagues talking and you are quite a distance away, you assume that they're talking about yourself, and not only that, you assume that they're talking about your weakness, about your faults, what are mistakes you have done. They're trying to make fun of it. And we don't stop here only. Further, we talk with them rudely also later on, and we also behave very differently with them. So see, mind reading, assuming what people without any hard evidence, without any truth, without any proper proof. You can't judge people. So we should not judge on that. We should not assume on that. That is M, mind reading. We have seen do, TO, AM, now PM. In that P we are going to see. P is predicting. Some people predict the worst whenever they are facing a challenge or any new problem or any kind of a new situation. You should not think of the worst before attempting it. You should try to attempt it first. Give it a trial. Let us go for it. Let us try first how it can be done. Let us experience it. Without experiencing, without giving a trial, thinking about the worst will definitely affect your emotions also, and your attitude also, and maybe your behavior also. Predicting, P. PM. M is related to must or should. Some people make very strict rules regarding themselves, and also the same rule should be followed by the others also. These are their must, their should. I should earn more money. I should be more ambitious. I should be on time, every day in my life. These must and should start giving them pressure and may give a little bit stress also, which can affect their life or behavior. So we should avoid this must and should. The last one is EM, which is one itself. To remember, I have used the word EM. EM is emotional reasoning. Emotional reasoning is when you're feeling failure, you actually think that you will fail. No, friends, it will not happen. When you feel failure, no need every time you will actually fail. It should be actually opposite. Your thinking should be in such a way that it changes your emotions which are negative. So it should not be the feelings leading to your thinking. It should be the opposite. Your thinking should manage or control your emotions. That is more important. This is what is EM, emotional reasoning, which I call it. Friends, I have shared you 7 different kinds of thinking errors. Do, AM, PM and EM. These all you may remember so that you can alter or change your thinking patterns, and hope you like this video, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. Let us meet you next time with a new video. Till then, goodbye. See you soon. Bye.